Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rachanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. As we step into 2025, I want to take this moment to reflect on the incredible journey we have had together, share some highlights, and leave you with a powerful message to kickstart your new year. My throat is not in its best condition today, but I couldn't let that stop me from connecting with all of you and sharing this message that's so close to my heart. Dear friends, 2024 has been a remarkable year filled with opportunity, growth, and exciting moments. From launching new projects to working on groundbreaking topics, it's been a year of learning and collaboration. One of my proudest moments was authoring books on prompt engineering and creating impactful series on machine learning and data science. Your support has been the driving force behind all of this. I have also been part of something extraordinary, that is collaborating on a significant global event like the Guinness World Record for the largest AI lesson participation. These experiences have truly been milestone for me, and I am so grateful for the journey we have shared. Dear friends, I want to take a moment to thank all my collaborators, mentors, and most importantly, you, my incredible subscriber. Whether you have been here from the beginning or joined us along the way, your support, feedback, and enthusiasm make all the difference. Together, we have built not just a channel, but a thriving space to learn, grow, and share knowledge. Let's continue to innovate and inspire each other in 2025. Now, as we embrace the new year, I want to share something important, a small habit that can make a huge difference in your life. While working on research related to neurodegenerative disease, I uncovered a startling truth: poor posture, especially in today's gadget-driven world, can indirectly contribute to serious condition. During my research at the end of 2023, I explored the rise of neurodegenerative disease like ALS, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's, once thought to primarily affect the elderly, as now being observed in younger individuals, even children. One indirect but significant factor: poor posture. Yes, something as simple as how we sit, stand, or use our device is contributing to growth issues. This alarming trend is linked not only by poor posture, prolonged screen time, and irregular habits that disrupt our body's natural balance. But here's the silver lining: this is something we can work on and change. Maintaining proper posture is a simple yet powerful habit that brings numerous benefits beyond reducing the risk of these diseases. Here's I give you what good posture can do for you. It prevents back pain, neck pain, it improves breathing, enhances circulation, boosts mental health. Yes, dear friends, a good posture increases confidence and reduce stress, and it protects digestive health. So as we step into 2025, let's make maintaining good posture a priority, not just for ourselves, but for our family and friends too. Small changes can create big transformation. Let's inspire each other to live healthier, happier lives. I would love to hear from you if you are ready to add this resolution for 2025, focusing on good posture, not just for yourself, but for you loved ones. Drop a comment below. Share your commitment and inspire others to join this movement. Your participation could inspire someone else to make a change. Let's make 2025 the year of wellness, awareness, and positive change. Thank you all for being a part of this incredible journey. Here's to an amazing 2025 filled with health, happiness, and success for each of you. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, keep inspiring and happy learning, dear friends. Happy New Year.